Hey there YouTube, this is Joe with Ink&Iron, and I am on location in Golden, Colorado. I am here for the Spyderco second sale. Happens every year in November, week before Thanksgiving. We have a lot going on this year. We're about to do a little bit of a competition for some gear, prizes, really cool stuff. So you're gonna meet the people I'm with, you're gonna check out the sale, and we're gonna get some knives at steep discounts. It's gonna be great. Let's go. So this here is Cody.
Oh, you're still filming.
You're live.
live. Like,
no. I'm just messing with you. I'm recording.
Definitely doctor that out because I don't even know. I probably look fucking crazy right now.
Yeah.
No mirror in the RV.
Yeah, you look a little wild right now. That's a nice Spyderco shirt you got on there. Yeah.
Purchased.
Repping the swag. All right. You gotta try and open that bug knife one-handed.
Figure it out with your hand.
It is not easy, I will say.
Next time you're gonna have to hold your hand out.
The reverse flick don't work with those, huh?
No, there's not enough mass. Oh, you got it.
Blades too,
good job.
Scales too late.
Yeah, join the club, bud. Look at that. This is what you get if you screw it up. You got any like special prize bandages? All right, you gotta slice that envelope open.
Put your thumb on the blade. Just man up at it. Just don't slide at all.
That was what he did actually. I saw him do it. I was like, oh man.
Wow.
Oh. Whoa.
That was
really quick. I think he busted through.
That was insane. I don't know who. We have video though.
Damn, man. That's
true. I don't care about that. You gotta open one hand and do whatever you want. Take the brick.
Okay, open one-handed. Cut both sides of this rope.
I mean, I literally just opened mine up by putting my thumb on the blade.
All right. You ready? Sir? Go.
Got it.
Oh, he's got it.
That was actually, I didn't think about pulling up. That was good.
You scared the hell out of me, Kendall.
Yeah, dude, you almost cut yourself right there.
You okay?
I'm good.
Hey, I got the band-aids if you need them.
No, that's hospital right there. This is
I don't know if you met Chappie in there. He's one of the employees. He donated consolation prizes for everybody gets a respect pin.
Oh, cool.
Oh, nice, dude. That's so cool.
That's pretty good.
Thank you. Check it out.
Oh, my hard hat.
A hole in your hard hat?
Oh yeah, man. Just right there.
Hey, why not? Let's get a close up of this.
All right, so
Yeah, you can keep.
That's super cool. Nice.
Yeah.
Some good.
now I planned poorly. The third and fourth. I don't know like which one's third and which one's fourth. You know, because they were both two.
I think I was third because we kind of tied.
Well, the last two like
Yeah, but
there was 2 rounds, so the losers of each of the last two.
You won. Oh yeah, you won your last round too.
Were the last two. So I got
again, I don't care.
Valio, and I've got a couple stickers for fourth. Like,
Nice.
Turn
up for a second.
Turn around.
Yeah, we're gonna give you credit for contest.
You know, for a knife company, these pins are really dull.
They don't want you cutting yourself on them.
Was the video? Because I've.
The video you took, was it in the whole thing?
Huh?
Did you get the whole thing on the video? They're not very expensive if you
Not the whole thing. I got like each part, but I should have just kept recording the whole time.
Figure it out.
You had one, right?
Yeah. My sister got me one when I was a kid. Yeah.
Alright, we'll put this.
And what'd you get, Gabe?
I don't need that. You can keep it as a souvenir or throw it away.
Nice.
Hold as soon as I get.
Valio. Nice.
Maybe we'll bring some of the gins out. See if we can get a vlog up
use
here.
these things.
The idea is just flip it open like a butterfly knife.
No, no, it's not.
Yeah,
as
like
easy as a
be
butterfly.
cool.
No, just.
Hey, not bad. This is quality content for my channel, bud.
I'm so slow because my hands are cold. Sorry.
That's fine. We're in beautiful Golden, Colorado. Look at that. Just chilling in the snow. All right, Kendall. Show us your prizes here.
Yeah,
Okay,
well,
so
I
flip
got
it out.
the
So-
wooden
Just
block
slow.
that I cut.
Yeah,
Nice.
And I
rotate.
got this Spyderco coin.
Oh, that's really cool.
Brass, it looks like.
Yeah. Nice, like brass coin. What's on the reverse? Anything?
Yeah, there's.
Which is an
Oh, yeah.
unnecessary move.
Yeah, but it makes it fluid.
Cool.
So it's
Heck yeah.
unnecessary, but
What is this
probably
thing?
faster.
This is the case that came with.
Oh, okay.
This way,
Like, cool.
and then back over the hand.
All right. Not bad. That was pretty slick work there with the bug knife.
Thing in reverse.
Yeah, it was sharper than it, like, it seemed like it would be.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I mean, I got this big old fat thumb now.
93. Lock that in there.
1693.
Yeah,
Nice.
it's close. I had it there, but I'm moving the table too. So. 16.93. It's just like does it make that big of a difference? You could go for
Right.
perfection, right? You could go spot on, but I'm not on a stable table. On this side, I said 17.21 degrees. Oh, look at that! Oh,
There you go.
I just got to dial it a little bit. We're at 17
Don't breathe on it.
Yeah, we're at 17.29. There we go.
And this is the Wicked Edge system?
This is the Wicked Edge Field and Sport.
Field and Sport. It comes with a whole kit.
17.21 is what we're after.
So right now we're measuring 17 degrees per side.
Yep, we're going to end up with
Cool.
17.07 DPS.
Nice. 34 degree inclusive angle. Should cut very nicely. This is what, Zome Delica?
This is the Zome Delica and S30V.
Oh, S30.
17.21.
Nice.
Lock it in.
I definitely got to get a little footage of your technique here.
Like I said to you before, I
Yeah.
use the downward stroke so I don't round off the tip.
Right.
There we go.
And if you get somebody that denies you that, then to appeal, you have to
Now-
go to Washington, D.C. and have a representative or do it personally.
It's sharp.
Appeal to the Congress.
I'm going to start out with the 100 grit because I know that this one is definitely 17, but I don't know what Spyderco put on this side. I do know what I'm going to put on it, so I'm going to start out with the low grit.
Well, there's no patent police. Spyderco is fought, I don't know how many times. 60 times.
Very cool technique. Braiding both sides at once. Just got to make sure you don't cross your rods. Fuji's got the technique down.
Sometimes I short stroke it and it's like,
It's alright, as long as it looks good.
oh, water's ready, turn it off.
Alright, we'll come back to this in a bit.